whenever we did, Cody gave me a mandate, and that mandate was build your dream system. And it's like, okay, well, there's certain functionality that you as agents have to have. Layout, how it looks is important, but it doesn't determine the functionality necessarily. So some of this is like MVP, minimal viable product. The fields are there, you can enter them, you can do certain things. I know you had asked for being able to just type in the dates, and I'm working on just allowing you to do that instead of having to click in the calendar to do it. It's an few extra clicks. We want to put them in certain formats and make sure that they're consistent and stuff. But I'll be adding that very soon. I actually have a work in process piece that's letting it. It's just there's some formatting challenges, so that's coming. But a majority of the functionality of what we want it to do is collect data, allow you to enter or collect it, view it, search it, stuff like that. And then the routines automate. And once we get all of everything kind of working in a good way, the editing, how it's laid out, stuff like that can be adjusted so easy. It's just a matter of that part of it we didn't want to mess with yet, just because we're making sure everything else works.
And some of it at every step, Mark and I have gotten into the habit of asking, is this going to be easy enough to use? Mark even said it just a second ago. How many clicks does it take you? So that's what's called user experience in the technology world, UX. But basically trying to figure out how to make it look good. And some of this, the layouts will shift. But if you remember back to like the early 2000s, Facebook's like view was changing like weekly, and everyone got confused, and then eventually Facebook stopped changing it. So that's the ultimate goal too with this, is just like, let's get you guys the tool, and then we can figure out how to make it look a little prettier.